and they're going to land on the water, and then Daddy can hunt them.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Okay. Let's see if we can find a feather. I want to give you a feather. I want to get something out of this trip, other than memories.
I found the water. I need to try to find the water.
Well, the water's high this year. That's because of the rain.
I found a park.
Where is Daddy's duck blind? Is that it? I can't even tell. It's so overgrown. No, that's not it. That's not it. No, it is. No, that's Daddy's duck blind. I guess that's a good thing. If you can't tell where the duck blind is, because that means it's hidden.
We're stuck in here.
Nah, we're not stuck. Let's go back and see if we can't see some beavers.
No. I don't want to go see beavers.
You don't want to see beavers?
No.
You know, beavers have big fat tails. And they slap them on the water. Oh, this is hard work.
What is this?
This is called an oar.
Mine.
Why is it called an oar?
Mine is this was.
Or why does Daddy have it? You gotta sit up, buddy. I don't want to bump you with it. I'll keep bumping you.
I don't want to go see beavers.
Are you singing a song for the beavers?
No, I said empty.
What about the alphabet song?
No,
I like that song. You sing it so well.
I don't like alphabet.
Can Daddy sing it?
No.
Can Daddy sing a little bit?
Yeah.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Can you help?
No.
H, I, J, K. What comes next?
The K on the wheels on the bus.
Wheels on the bus? The wheels on the bus go round and round.
That goes round and round.
Huh? What about the wheels on the truck?
Okay, wheels on the truck. You say it?
You want Daddy to sing or do you want to sing?
Daddy say.
The wheels on the truck go round and round. Hey, anytime you want to start paddling, buddy, go ahead. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're pretty to look at. They're not fun to paddle through. See the flower? It's a little bitty flower. The wheels on the truck go round and round.
Round and round.
Round and round. The wheels on the truck go round and round.
The town.
Yeah.
It's on the town.
See the beaver house?
Where?
See that big pile of sticks and mud? That big pile of dirt right there with the sticks on top?
Let's go.
Well, we can't get too close. We can look at it from here. Oh, sorry. We can look at it from here, but we don't want to get too close because we don't want to scare them and make them leave their house. You wouldn't want something to come scare you out of your house, would you?
Where are we going?
Well, we're going to look at, see if we can't see some more ducks. Oh. You know, the proper mechanics for paddling in a kayak are that you're supposed to sit back and keep the oars close, or keep the paddle close to your body, not lean all the way forward and do it with your arms straight. This is hard. Are you drinking swamp water?
No. Mama, I need to
What do you want?
the water.
What about it?
Because I want to. Why?
We hit a log. Daddy couldn't see it. Oh, that just makes it harder. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh, almost out of it. Oh, Daddy's arms are tired. I see a snail. Want to look? Okay. It is right. See it right there.
There.
Let's see if I can pick it up. Oh, I couldn't pick it up. He's gonna go play with the fishes now.
Where did Phil go?
I think it jumped in the water. Maybe he wanted to go for a swim.
Why?
Well, maybe he heard from a fish that there's a really nice Matchbox truck down there, and they're both playing with it.
No, like what?
Oh, you gotta share your truck with the fish now, because they got it.
Let's go get that.
Well, if Daddy knew where to look, trust me, Daddy would get it.
Okay.
But Daddy is not jumping into 8 feet of muddy swamp water full of lily pads to look for a Matchbox truck. I don't know where it is. All I know is it's somewhere over there. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. So much fun. See people on the dock way over there. Come on. Ah, that's better.
That's better.
Mm-hmm.
I found the park. I found the park. Full of water.
Hey Jackson, I don't want you falling in the water, so be careful. Can you say yes, Daddy?
Yes, Daddy.
Can you cough?
I found the park. I found the park. I found the park.
Jackson!
I found the
Hey, you're covered in water. Keep your hands out of the water.
Why?
Because Daddy said so.
Maybe this.
I said keep your hands out of the water.
Why?
Because I don't want your hands getting all cold. That's why.
That's why
Mm-hmm.
the water's cold.
You can sit and you can look at the water without touching the water. Isn't it pretty?
Everything.
Yeah, when Daddy first moved to Washington, he didn't really like it that much. But the longer I'm here, the more I like it. I don't know, the rain kind of grows on you. Are you seeing all the flowers? Don't touch the water. You know, when we come around this corner, we might see those ducks. Don't touch the water.
Why?
Jackson, if you can't listen when Daddy talks, we're going to go home. You want to go home?
No.
Then listen to Daddy.
Okay. I know where to go nice boat. What's on the water?
Don't touch. Thank you.
What's on the water?
Those are called lily.
Why?
That's because with the Jackson, get out of the water. Thank you.
Go pig, go pig, go pig, go. A noisy boat.
Actually, kayaks are pretty quiet. Okay, watch for ducks. I see one. You see it?
No.
Look straight ahead. It's in the water right ahead of us. Right there. Look, right there. The little baby one.
What's that? Wait.
It's gonna fly. You better watch. Oh, it went underwater.
Where?
Oh, there's another one. See, when we get close, the duck jumps underwater.